In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your website in GoDaddy. A reliable backup is your safety net. It lets you save a clean copy of your site before you make big changes, test new designs, or troubleshoot issues. This walkthrough applies to GoDaddy's website builder, also known as Websites Plus Marketing. If you use WordPress or another hosting setup, your backup process will be different. Start on your GoDaddy dashboard where you manage your site. Look for the website you want to protect and open the editor by selecting Edit Website. This takes you into the live builder where you can see your pages, sections, and design tools. Before you proceed, make sure any recent edits are saved so the backup reflects your latest work. If the editor shows unsaved changes, apply them first so nothing gets left out. Inside the editor, find the Settings option. Depending on your layout, it's typically at the top or in a side panel with other site controls. Settings is where GoDaddy groups site-wide tools that affect your whole project, not just a single page. Opening this panel gives you access to features like domains, favicon, and, most importantly for today, your site's history. Within Settings, choose Site History. This area is your version archive. You'll see a list of previously saved states, often with timestamps and notes. From here, you can restore older versions if you ever need to roll back. It's a good idea to glance at the existing entries so you understand what's already stored and how your new backup will fit into the list. To create a fresh backup, select Create Backup. GoDaddy will package your current site configuration and content into a restore point. The process usually takes a moment. If you're prompted to name or describe the backup, use a clear label, like Pre-Theme Change or today's date, so it's easy to recognize later. When it's done, confirm that the new backup appears at the top of the site history list. That's your confirmation that the safety copy is ready whenever you need it. That's all it takes. Use this workflow anytime you plan to redesign a page, switch themes, try new features, or before connecting new services. Building the habit of creating a backup first can save hours of recovery work. And remember, if something goes wrong, you can return to site history and restore the version you just created with a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching, and keep your site safe with regular backups.